Hi there, 8th graders. Mr. Kerr here as we get into week 2 of second semester War of the Worlds. And just want you to take a look at the suggested schedule here and notice what it says for each of the days moving through the week. And as always, you will see when this week opens up that the assignments say that they are due on Friday. All students do have all 7 days to complete assignments each week, but I set the due dates for Friday, so hopefully everyone will work Monday through Friday, or in this case, Tuesday through Friday. Get all of your work done by Friday, and then you can have the weekend to yourself. If that's, I will change on Friday, I will change the due date to Sunday, and then you have until Sunday night. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions about that. We are getting into Unit 3, Week 2, War of the Worlds. That is our what we're doing this week, really starting to look at the Civil War itself. And as always, so what I've done is I've put the Week 2 quiz up here at the beginning. So to start out, just go into the Week 2 folder, read over the announcements, objectives, and goals, and then take the quiz first on Monday or Tuesday, in this case, at the beginning of the week, just as a pretest. And this week you will be turning in your notes. So make sure you take good notes on the quiz, what the questions are, and then use those notes and continue as you watch the videos, the Civil War videos and the readings this week. Take good notes because you will be turning those in. And then start going through. Notice that it's just day 1 through day 4, since we're starting on Tuesday this week. All right. So we do have several. Your vocab is a little bit different. You're going to be finding pictures that visual graphics to represent the various vocabulary words that you'll see here, and from the timeline to part 1 to part 2. You'll be uploading those pictures. Just follow the directions, and then the 3 pictures that you choose in caption, then you'll put on a Google Doc and turn in here. And then we also, I think it's day 3, maybe it's day 4 actually, where you will turn in your notes. Yes, the week 2 notes, and then also your quiz up here. Now, just a reminder, the various ways of getting to assignments. You can go to upcoming, you can go through your grade book, but especially for the current week, always go through the unit folder itself and the weekly folder itself, so that you go through in order. You see all the videos, you do all the readings, and so go through the video that way. As you're going back and completing stuff, then you can use this in kind of a double check. But until then, go through the folder here. Questions, concerns, comments, all of those things, almost every question I've ever been asked by a student could have been answered if you look through the Start Here folder, especially here in the Tips, Tricks, and Student Resources folder. So make sure you know to do that. All right, any questions, let me know. Wednesday's on campus day for those of you that do that. And otherwise, I will see you later.